What if I told you that your brain is literally glowing right now? It sounds unbelievable, right? But the truth is, inside your head, there's a secret light show happening every single moment of your life. Seriously, this isn't some sci-fi plot twist. Scientists have actually discovered that our brains emit light. This is not just a metaphor or a poetic way of describing brain activity. It's a real physical phenomenon that's been measured and observed in cutting-edge labs around the world. And get this, scientists are starting to realize that this glow can actually reveal what you're thinking. Imagine your thoughts and emotions creating a shimmering pattern of light unique to you every second. Let's dive into one of the coolest discoveries in neuroscience. This is the kind of thing that makes you wonder what else we don't know about our own minds. Picture this. A pitch-black lab, high-tech cameras ready, and a bunch of scientists in white coats trying to catch a glimpse of something invisible to the naked eye. They're not just looking for brain waves or electrical signals, they're hunting for actual light. With ultra-sensitive cameras, researchers have managed to capture the faintest flickers of light coming from our neurons. This isn't just a trick of the eye, this is real, measurable bioluminescence. These cameras are so sensitive, they can detect single photons, the tiniest particles of light. It's so weak that you'd never see it without those cameras, but make no mistake, it's happening right now in your head. Even as you listen to this, your brain is quietly glowing, like a city seen from space at night. So why do our brains glow? And what's the source of this mysterious light? It all comes down to chemistry. Deep inside your brain, every thought and feeling is powered by a series of complex chemical reactions. Every time a neuron fires, every thought, every emotion, there's a tiny burst of energy. This energy is released as your brain cells communicate, sending signals back and forth at lightning speed. That energy can create photons, little packets of light through biochemical reactions. These photons are called biophotons, and they're produced as a byproduct of the brain's metabolism. Basically, the chemical processes that keep your brain alive and active. The more active your brain cells, the brighter the microscopic glow. It's like your brain is lighting up a tiny constellation every time you think, feel, or even dream. Researchers believe these flashes of light might even give away your mental state, from laser-focused to totally spaced out. The patterns and intensity of the glow change depending on what's happening in your mind. Imagine your brain's glow is like a real-time mood ring, only way cooler. It's a living, breathing light show that reflects your inner world. But here's where it gets wild. The glow isn't just random, it actually changes with your emotions, your focus, and even your stress levels. Scientists have actually compared glowing brain scans in different emotional states. They've found that happiness, sadness, anxiety, and calm all have their own unique light signatures. When you're calm, like deep in meditation, the glow is soft and steady. Your brain settles into a gentle rhythm, and the light it emits becomes more uniform and peaceful. Crank up the stress, and certain brain regions light up like a mini fireworks show. The glow becomes more chaotic, with bursts of light in the areas responsible for handling pressure and anxiety. So, solving a tough puzzle, your brain literally shines brighter. The harder you think, the more intense the glow as your neurons work overtime to crack the problem. Stressed at work, the glow spikes in all the busy regions. It's like your brain is sending out a distress signal in the form of light. It's like your thoughts are painting a private light show, unique to you every single moment. No two people's brain glows are exactly alike. Time for some mind-blowing facts. This is where things get even more fascinating. First, the light your brain emits is about 1,000 times weaker than a candle flame. It's so faint that it's completely invisible to our eyes. But with the right technology, it's as real as any other light in the universe. So no, you're not going to light up a room by thinking hard, but special cameras can see it. These devices are opening up a whole new way to study the brain beyond what we ever thought possible. Second, different brain regions glow differently depending on what you're doing. The part of your brain you use for math, for example, glows in a different pattern than the part you use for music or creativity. Daydreaming, crunching numbers, stressing out, they all create distinct patterns of brain light. It's like your brain has its own light-based fingerprint for every activity. And finally, this could be the future. Imagine a world where doctors can diagnose mental health conditions or track your mood just by measuring your brain's glow. Someday, scientists might use brain glow to detect mental health issues or even read your mood in real time just by measuring your inner light. This could revolutionize how we understand and treat the mind. So next time someone tells you to light up the room with your brain, you can take it literally, because your mind is already glowing, revealing your every thought, feeling, and focus. You are, in a very real sense, a living light show. If you want more science that'll make your neurons sparkle, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. There's a whole universe of hidden wonders inside your head just waiting to be explored. Your glowing brain will thank you.